Pranam sir and hello everyone. This is Madan Mohan Sherwal from Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Welcome to all of you in my topic video that is 2,4-DNP of benzaldehyde. Now let's start about it. What are carbonyl compounds? Organic compounds that contains carbonyl group are called carbonyl compounds. What is carbonyl group? Carbonyl group is such type functional group in which carbon is making directly double bond with oxygen and two valencies are free. That type functional group is called carbonyl group. If two alkyl group are present in both the valencies of carbonyl group, that type compounds are called carbonyl compounds. Basically, there are two types of carbonyl compounds that are aldehydes and ketone. What are aldehydes? If hydrogen atom is present on both the valencies of carbonyl group or on valency on one valency hydrogen atom is present and on the second valency alkyl group is present, then such type carbonyl compounds are known as aldehydes. This is the example of aldehyde. Formaldehyde. Two hydrogen are present on both the valencies or one hydrogen is present on one valency and on the second valency alkyl group is present. How to recognize it? Carbonyl compound is a aldehyde. This will always present on the last of the carbon chain. Now let us talk about the ketones. If alkyl groups are present on both the valencies of carbonyl group, then carbonyl compounds are known as ketones. As we can see in the structure of ketone, formaldehydes, acetaldehyde and acetone etc. are some examples of carbonyl compound. Now let us talk about the DNP. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone is known as DNP. What is the structure of DNP? It is visible on the screen. This is the structure of 2,4-DNP. It is also known as Brady's reagent. How to prepare it? When 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene react with hydrogen in presence of the sulfuric acid H2SO4 and potassium acetate CH3COK, then resulting product will 2,4-DNP. This is the reaction. How to prepare 2,4-DNP means 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. Now let us talk about 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone of benzaldehyde. How to prepare it? After the reaction of benzaldehyde with 2,4-DNP, resulting product will 2,4-DNP of benzaldehyde. This is the reaction. Benzaldehyde will react with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. Then resulting product will 2,4-DNP of benzaldehyde. This reaction is overall a condensation reaction as two molecules joining together with loss of water. Mechanistically, it is an example of addition-elimination reaction. Nucleophilic addition of the NH2 group to the carbonyl group followed by the elimination of H2O molecule. DNP does not react with other carbonyl containing functional groups such as carboxylic acids, amides and esters. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone offer a convenient way of separating the components of a mixture of aldehydes and ketones. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone is usually dissolved in an alcoholic solvent together with sulfuric acid, which is source of hydrogen positive ions, which catalyzes the reaction between the hydrogen group and the carbonyl compound. Now let us talk about the reaction mechanism of this reaction. Reaction mechanism of 2,4-DNP of benzaldehyde occurs in 5 steps. First step is oxonium ion preparation. Proton will attack on the benzaldehyde oxygen. The resulting product will oxonium ion. We can see on the screen. Now what is second step? Second step is nucleophilic substitution. Lone pair of nitrogen of 2,4-DNP will attack on the carbon of oxonium ion. After that, bonded electron will transfer on O positive. After that, nitrogen positive compound will produce, we can see in the screen. Now the third step is proton transfer. How proton transfer will occur? This hydrogen atom that is attached with nitrogen positive, so bonded electrons will transfer on nitrogen positive, then H plus will free. This H plus will attach with OH group. So what will result? H2 positive will create. We can see in the reaction. After this, what will occur? In step 4, substitution reaction will take place. We can see substitution reaction is occurring. Bonded electron transfer on H2O plus and lone pair of nitrogen transfer on carbon. So H2O removal is occurring and nitrogen positive ion is creating. After that, removal of proton. After a removal of proton, 2,4-DNP of benzaldehyde we will get. After that, what are the use of 2,4-DNP? 2,4-DNP is generally used in CPAN, that is a small molecule antioplastic agent and immunomodulator. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Dhanyavad. Have a nice day.